Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create animated spooky Halloween designs in Canva. So in here, let's say you want to create a Halloween party invitations or Halloween banner or anything related to Halloween, and you want to make it animated. This is how you are going to do it easily on Canva. First, you can just prepare your design, and then you can just tap on apps in here, then just click on the search bar at the top and use this keyword Halloween. Click on this Halloween keyword and there will be this app. So when you click on that, this is where you can create animated Halloween decoration. So you can easily add animated pumpkins, spiders, ghosts, ghouls, and vampires to your design. Now you can just click on open. Okay, let's just wait until it is open, the app. Okay, so now here you can just select at least one theme to generate fine effects. You can apply it to the page or an image. Let's click on theme. In here I'm using this Halloween. Okay, you can just type and press enter to add the theme if you want to. I've already added Halloween in here. Now you can choose to apply the effects to page or image. I'm going to go with page. Now tap on generate. Now this app will generating the decorations. You can just wait until the decoration is finished. Okay, so this is the result. You can use emoji in here, and here you can also adjust the animate. I'm going to adjust the size and make it bigger. You can increase the number. I'm going to go with 30, and the spin, let's just leave it as it is. Splat, blur, and transparency. Okay, let's try to click on add to design and see the result. So adding to design also takes some time. You can just wait until the animations added to your design. Okay, so this is the result. I'm going to delete the static animation first so that it doesn't confuse the audience or the viewers. Okay, here is the animation. You can always adjust the size by going like this. So if it's too much, you can always adjust the animation in here. You can lower the number, for example, and then click on add to design again and just wait until it's done. So guys, that's how you can create animated Halloween designs on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.